My name is Nancy Deshwal. I am from Sonipat. I got overall score 73 in my PTE examination, 19 speaking. All the teachers are very cooperative. I am very satisfied with the commitment provided to me.
Hi, my name is Gurvinder Singh. I have 12 years of gap in my study. Despite of this gap, today I got 80 score in my PT. The reason behind my success is Western Overseas Institute because staff in Western Overseas is very dedicated and very good staff. Prediction file is very good of Western Overseas.
Hi, my name is Shivansh and today I got my PTE result in which I got my desired score which is 73 overall and 79 in speaking. And the best part about Western Overseas is that the teachers are highly qualified and supportive.
My name is Amritsar. I completed my PT from Western Overseas and I got my desired score overall 72 just because of all teachers. They are very polite, well educated and well experienced. Thank you so much.
My name is Pavandeep Singh. I recently got my desired scores only due to the Western Overseas because their staff is very good and polite. I recommend to you, if you want to get your desired scores, then you should visit here.
If you also want your dream score, then visit Western Overseas.
If you want to go abroad, I suggest you please join Western Overseas and get your desirable score.